Unit number 4, valuation. It is the art of assessing the present fair value of property at stated time. Valuation is important term in civil engineering for the calculation purpose to calculate the value of property at particular times. For example, for taxation purpose, municipal authority required to know what are the valuation of property. Um, Sometimes if owner is there, owner willing to give his or her property on rent basis. In that case, owner wish to know what are the valuation of his or her property. There are different purpose of valuation is there. Purpose of valuation for investment, for occupation, tax fixation, sales, rent fixation, preparation of balance sheet, insurance premium, mortgage value, security of loan, loan against security of property, compulsory acquisition, this compulsory acquisition for public purpose, speculation, sales property, some profit in short period. In that case we are mention that speculation, betterment charges, new road is there, developing land is there. In that case, for betterment charges, valuation is essential. Court fee, stamp of suitable amount, value of property under dispute. For example, everyone know that different stamp is there. For example, 100 rupees stamp is there, 1000 rupees stamp is there, up to different amount of stamp is there, and this according to valuation of property different stamp is required. As we are just mentioned in that for investment purpose, tax fixation, sales rate fixation, balance sheet preparation, insurance premium, mortgage. In such, these are the some common parameters for the valuation for civil engineer. To know wealth tax, estate duty, gift tax, capital gain tax, partition. In that case also this valuation is required. Wealth tax, estate duty. If to know that what are the wealth taxes there, in that case this valuation is required. Gift tax, gifted property is there. For example, brother give property to his sister. In that case, property is gifted by brother to sister. In that case, what are the taxes there for such gifted property? To know this, in that case, this valuation is required. Capital gain tax, what are the total gain is there from property? In that case, this valuation is required. Partition, for example, joint property is there. Partition, joint property is there but between two brother. Then in that case, this valuation is required. Dividation of land may be there, dividation of different properties, equalization purpose, this valuation is required. As we are mentioned, the valuation is nothing but assessing the present fair value of property in the sense of land, uh, building, place at rural area, a plot at urban area, uh, flat, etc. Such kind of property. In valuation, different terms are there that having a different meanings. Let us see this term. Even though in that case, just mention the price, cost, value. What are the difference between price, cost, value? Amount work out by adding cost of production or construction, interest on investment, own profit, reward to producer for his labor and risk. Fixed for commodity, that is nothing but this is a price. Amount work out by adding cost of production, construction, interest on investment, profit is nothing but this is price. Cost, original cost of construction or production after accounting all day-to-day expenditure from very planning stage till construction is completed. Original cost of construction or production is nothing but the cost. Then what is the difference between price and cost? In price, they are going to add cost of production, construction, interest, profit, rewards, and also the charges required for labor and risk. That is nothing but the price. But in cost is nothing but the actual cost. Again, they are just mentioned that after accounting all day-to-day expenditure from very planning stage till construction is completed, that is nothing but the cost. Let us see a value. Value means it is worth or utility, varying from time to time, supply of that particular property and extent of demand for it is nothing but value. Demand on utility, demand, that is nothing but the value. Let us see the difference between the value. Utility, worth is nothing but the value. It varies from time to time. For example, if any things are there, in that case the value of that things at today's date and after some year, that value should not be same. Means it will change. Factors affecting value of property. What are the different factors is there that going to affect the value of property? Let us see one by one. Change in building technology. Change in building technology means different elevation is provided, different building bylaws are provided, proper ventilation is there, proper design is there, some aesthetic view is there. In such case, there is a different value will be there for the property. This is the case of residential. In industrial case also, if using of different higher specification material, higher quality material, in that case there will be the more value of property. Migration tendencies. For example, today as we are suffering from and we are just our COVID-19, in that case, what is actually happen? If persons, labor are migrated from one place to another place, in that case, actually what happen? The value of property will be less in that case. For example, some of the labor is migrated from Mumbai to Gujarat. In that case, in such case, in that locality, there will the less value of property. This is the example. Then next, forces of demand and supply. If more demand is there, value of property will be more. If less supply, supply is there, in that case more value of property. If more supply of uh, of property is there, in that case less value of property. These are the vice and versa concept. Cost of construction. If cost of construction is more, then value of property will be more. If cost of construction is less, then value of property will be less. Next factor, change in age distribution of population. Age distribution is nothing but, for example, from 0 to 30 year, 31 to 50 year, 51 year age to 78 year. In that case, according to the age group, for example, age group from 61 to onward 61 year, in that case retirement persons are there, retired person are there, there is a different value of property. Age group of people, then in that case if you look at some younger age, in that case up to 35 year, they are just starting their growth in their business, in their profession, in their service. In that case there will be a change in the value of property. Sudden change on in price of building material. If sudden change is there, then there is a change will the value of property. If a less value of material, then less value of property. Why not vice versa? Rent restriction act is there, improvement in amenities is there. If more amenities is provided, luxurious apartment is there, in that case we can say that the value of property will be more. Interest on schedule bank or government security, lower interest is there, more money available for property, in that case higher value of property. Unstable time, uncertainty in economy of country. Today's case, for example, world is facing the problem with the COVID-19 disease. In that case we can say that economy is in India also is going down. Then in that case we can say that there is a less value of property. Real time market lower down. Abnormal condition, insecure condition, riots, war, value may drop. Yes, in that case everyone has fear. In that case no one will be interested to purchase this property. In that case less value of property. Types of value. Market value, sold in open market at particular time, that value is nothing but market value. For example, everyone knows market. The value of property we get from open market is nothing but these are the market value. For example, person A willing to sell his property and person A is selling this property just knowing that to everybody in open market what are the actual rate is there, then according to that he sell his property. That is actually is nothing but these are the market value. Advertising in daily newspaper. Yes, different daily newspapers are there giving advertisement and to know public what are the value of property is there, what are the location of property is there. In that case there is a market value. Book value, amount shown in account book of particular year after making provision of the particular area. is nothing but this is the book value. Depreciation allowed per year and not affected by market condition. Simply book value is nothing but the value of property mentioned in account book is nothing but this book value. Next important term is there salvage value. Estimated value of built up property at the end of its useful life without being broken into pieces or dismantled is nothing but salvage value. Deducting depreciation from new cost. Salvage is nothing but there is a depreciation is there after constructing one of the property. There is some you can say that there is a less value of property. Then in that case we can say that these are the salvage value. For example, according to definition, consider one of the example. Estimated value of built up property at the end of its full life. For example, person B is having his property at prime location. For example, consider it is at Savedi location. In that case, person B mention that the property is very old and this property at the end of its usefulness means at the end, at the last stage, the B person not willing to use this property at the end. In that property of B property, there is no any broken, no any piece of material is fall from top, no any you can say that breakage is there, no any dismantle. In that case the value of property which you get to person B, in that case we can mention that these are the salvage value. Scrap value. At the end of period of usefulness, a property is discarded of or broken into suitable units for disposal. We can say that the scrap value is nothing but at the end of usefulness of property, there is a broken part is there, disposal units are there, or you can say that discarded is there. In that case we can say that the value which get that is nothing but the scrap value. Different terms are there, different another words also is there for the scrap value, junk value, demolition value. And the scrap value about 10% of original cost of construction is get as a scrap value. For example, how it is, for example, consider old construction, after usefulness some property is broken, some material is falling down, but at the end owner will get some amount for that steel, some bamboo, some material. In that case this broken material also gives some of the value to the owner. In that case that is nothing but these are the scrap value. And generally it is considered that about 10% of original cost of construction will get for the scrap value. For example, consider any property having a cost of 1 lakh, at the end of its usefulness about 10% means about 10,000 will get to the owner from the property. Then we can say that the value for the RC structure scrap value is less than timber structure scrap value. Yeah, for timber you can say that old is good and some of the old construction is there. In that case timber will get the more scrap value.